Hello, my friends. Apparently, Jay tells me we are about to review the Treasured Voice episodes that I was on.
10 and 11.
Episodes 10 and 11. Episode 10 didn't air on TV for some unknown reason, but it is, I am back in on the online episode, so go check that out. I don't know how I feel about reviewing my own self, but I am looking forward to seeing these performances a second time. And I'm excited to show you Flo and talk about all the things. So let's go. This is gonna be so interesting seeing
能够握紧的就别放了，能够拥抱的就别拉扯，时间着急的
I liked her, she wrote this.
冲刷着，剩下了什么？原谅走过的那些曲折，原来留下的都是真的，纵然似梦啊，半醒着。笑着哭着都快活，谁让时间是让人猝不及防的东西，晴时有风，阴有时雨，争不过朝夕，又念着往昔，偷走了青丝，却留住一个你。岁月是一场有去无回的旅行，好的坏的都是风景，别怪我贪心，只是不愿醒，因为你只为你愿和我一起看云淡风轻。
Nice melody, right?
Yeah.
Nice melody, right? I liked her and I liked the song.
能够握紧的就别放了，能够拥抱的就别拉扯，时间着急的冲刷着，剩下了什么？
This sounds a titch
走
different.
过的那些曲折，原来留下。
But you know what? You know what I thought most stood out in my mind of this whole thing was how fantastic everybody did sound live.
That's true.
It doesn't, I don't take back anything I've ever said. I don't take back anything I'm saying right now, but I was like, okay.
Yeah, and I was
okay.
actually sitting at the control station.
Yeah, you were listening to their drive, like their...
I listened to their rehearsals.
Yeah.
And I listened to their stage performance. And they all sound pretty similar to what we listened to.
Yeah, I mean, to me, I don't think this polish is necessary. I mean, like, I shouldn't say necessary, because as an artist, I now want this same polish, right? If I was on a show like this, I would want the same polish as everybody else. So I'm not gonna be like, hey, leave mine ugly, please. I wouldn't do that. You wanna at least meet the standard of everybody, but all I'm saying is, they could do pretty much no editing, and the show, to me,
Still sounds good.
would be valid still. That's how I felt. I was like,
true.
oh,
That's true.
seriously.
You know what? I thought they were gonna. Some of them were gonna sound shitty.
I did too. I'm gonna be honest with you.
Yeah.
I was
Actually,
waiting
really
for like,
thought so.
wait,
Especially some of the idols. I thought they couldn't sing,
Well,
but then
is he
actually
an
listen-
idol?
Well, he's considered an idol.
Yeah, he's
Roy.
considered-
But you know what? He sounded good live. But what they're doing,
Wow.
sorry to say, what they're doing is
They made
they've
it
straightened
more
it. They've straightened it out.
Yeah,
Yeah,
yeah.
which wasn't necessary.
Not
He
necessary.
sounded great.
Really?
He sounded great.
Yeah.
都是真的，纵然似梦啊。
I preferred him live.
Well, to be
I
fair,
preferred
though,
him.
If he's on the singer show, though, he will look bad.
Yeah, but
Still,
it's the atmosphere.
You know, next to all
It's
the
the atmosphere,
prolific
though.
singers. Yeah.
But this song's design, his part in this. Wait, does he do do-da-da, do-da-da? I can't remember if he does that part. But all I remember thinking, because this was the first song on the whole thing we saw, and I was like, is this how it's gonna be?
Yeah.
Like, everybody sounded good.
笑着哭着都快活。
To me,
谁让
this sounds more sterile and is not as exciting to me.
Yeah.
That is why editing stands out to me so much, because I like the sound. of a live singer.
Yeah.
So to me, like, oh, this got like mer to me.
时间是让人猝不及防的东西，晴时有风，
I like this song.
阴有时雨，争不过朝夕，又念着往昔，偷走了心思，却留住一个你。岁月是一场有去无回的旅行，好的坏的。
Yeah, I saw that.
I saw that.
I
Why
saw
did they
that.
do that?
I don't know. I don't know.
Yeah. Did you see?
No, what happened?
Well, just not matching. The
Yeah.
sound and
But that's so crazy because the live sounded great.
Yes.
The live sounded
Live
great.
was good.
I'm a little bit surprised. Now I'm shocked twice. I was shocked how good they sound. Now I'm shocked they didn't use it.
岁月是一场有去无回的旅行，
Okay, yeah.
好的坏的都是风景。别怪我贪心，只是不忍心，因为你，只为你，愿和我一起看云淡风轻。
Don't you love her sneakers and dress? Oh, they love him.
they have to.
They loved him obsessively.
Oh yeah.
They love
Yeah,
him.
yeah, yeah.
时间是让人猝不及防的东西，晴时有风，阴有时雨。
争不过朝夕，又念着往昔，偷走了心思，却留住一个
He is so much better live. This is so crazy.
I read.
岁月是
Sorry.
I was just gonna say, isn't he a TF boy?
Yeah.
Oh,
I
okay.
think so. Wait,
Yes, because I remember
Yeah.
one of my fellow homies told me that.
Oh, okay,
Yes.
yeah, okay.
常有去无回的旅行，好的坏的都是风景。别怪我贪心，只是不忍心，因为你，只为你，愿和我一起看云淡风轻。
Yeah, TF Boys. TF Boys.
So you're saying he actually sounds better?
Oh yeah. I mean,
He
sounds
he sounded
better live.
human. Yeah,
He
he
sounds
sounded human.
human.
They took obviously his team or the show or whatever wanted this to be a certain kind of sound.
But of course, it's not like a flexy song. It's not like a
No,
belty
no,
or
but that's
riffy.
but to me
No.
that's why it sounded better live.
Yeah,
But
yeah,
this
yeah,
sounds sterile, I guess.
That's why. The song is simple, but it had humanness. It had buoyancy. It had like,
Yeah.
I feel like I want to say just even rewatching this, it's just like making my heart pump. This was fun. This was crazy. This was a really exciting experience. Jay and I were like, oh, we had just landed, so we were so jet lagged.
So jet lagged.
So jet
We
lagged.
slept
So
for 2 hours. And the next day, the filming went from like 3 p.m. to 3 a.m.
Oh,
it was
really?
it was spicy.
So long.
It was spicy, but I had Jay. I guess we're about to see me, but you'll see that I have these. I have my in-ear monitors in because you were helping translate for me.
Everything that's going on.
But yeah, for me
really?
and what I was saying. So his job was.
Of course, they cut me out. Cut
Yeah,
my,
yeah,
my
well-
voice out. But like, I was trying to explain to everyone what she was saying.
But also,
man.
so you got to keep in mind that the songs happen and then the whole panel is talking. But unless he's able to kind of explain to me what people are saying, my response probably is like rando.
Totally.
Because I can't necessarily participate.
Yeah,
Eventually,
you can't steer.
the vocal coach beside me eventually, what's his, I love that guy.
Huh? Yeah.
Yeah, Ho. Huh?
Yeah.
He eventually was like leaning over and explaining to me the conversation. So on the next episode, I was like a little bit more like responding,
It was
but
way too
it was
tough.
hard. It was
Way
hard. It was
too
hard,
hard.
but awesome. And this, I just want to say, shout out to everybody that I interacted with on this show was so kind.
So cool.
So kind.
So cool.
I don't
When
want to
she
see
and
myself.
Roy, I thought this was
Oh, there you are.
successful. And when I think that you've written a beautiful song, sounds beautiful and brings the hook to life.
Thank you.
I think that it was a great opportunity to also hear your speaking voice because it helps us hear the authenticity and sincerity in your vocal delivery because we hear your speaking voice within your singing voice, and this is so lovely.
Oh my God, I agree with me. Thank God. Thank God.
Shut up.
Well, I don't know. We were tired. Yes.
Really tired.
I liked her.
Roy, I thought you brought a beautiful, warm masculinity that provided a beautiful bed for the delicate details of Wenqi.
Thank you.
Phew.
Bravo to both.
Okay.
Thank you.
Is this Jane? I think it's Jane, right? Yeah. I have to say, too, the artists were sitting quite near us and had to walk by us on their way to the stage. Holy crap, is everyone beautiful in person. Like, literally, people's skin, people's faces, people's wardrobe.
Yeah.
And I thought it was really funny. Everybody wears, like, highly, fancily decorated Crocs between performances.
Oh, really?
I was like, I need some Crocs, man.
随手抓一朵云，为你下点及时雨。
Oh, yeah.
好想把你编剧，情节都像偶像剧。空气像青苹果，公车开满花朵。
Oh, this is
我
artifacted a
亲
bit
爱
too.
的你应该怎么过？
And both were great.
拉长整个夏天，给你轻薄的光线，可以陪你忧郁，但更爱替你高兴。怎会是你一个？至少还会有我。我亲爱的，还烦恼些什么？ Baby, just take it easy, just take it easy. 真的没关系。
It definitely is different. It's a really different way for me to connect with artists when I'm meeting them, when I'm seeing them, when I'm watching them live. It's really, really different than reviewing videos of people.
Yeah.
I just want to say that if anybody's like, oh, like it feels different. Well, it is. it is.
For many reasons.
For many, many
For
reasons.
many reasons.
And also, yeah, yep, it's just really different.
Yeah.
So
除了这么一次当成电影
I preferred this live too, big time.
Baby, just take it easy, just take it easy. 真的没关系。其实你微笑时候最美丽。
Way down there.
Da, 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 da. 拉长整个夏天，给你轻薄的光线，可以陪你忧郁，但更爱替你高兴。怎么会是你一个？至少还会有我。 我亲爱的，还烦恼些什么 ？Just take it easy, just take it easy. 真的没关系。除了这
I think partially too, watching singers perform live really, even though I always keep in mind my experience as a live performer, watching them like do vocal warm-ups and kind of like be nervous backstage and shake it off and get on stage just was even more humbling and gave me more respect for the live performance that they were doing. It's sometimes easy to be like, oh, that note, oh, you know, that weird choice, no. But watching their human experience just really put that back in my veins in reviewing them and in watching them.
一次当存电运气 Baby, just take it easy, just take it easy. 真的没关系。即使你
I don't think they mixed this. I wish Jane was up.
I'm sure they already mixed it.
I guess I like loud vocals. 'Cause, you know.
You do.
You know.
即使你微笑时候最美丽。 Just take it easy, take it easy， 真的没关系。输了这么一次，当成电影机。Oh baby, just take it easy, take it easy， 真的没关系。只是你微笑时候最美丽，最美丽。那 baby，just take it easy，just take it easy， 真的没关系，真的没关系。最后就会来临，只要你相信。Baby，just take it easy，just take it easy， 真的没关系。只是你在笑一个更美丽。没关系，很多事情不必太在意。
Do you know this song? Thought it had a good hook.
好喜欢。
孟佳，其实我主要想说说你。我有一个建议，是我这是可能稍微有一点直接，但是我特别想提给你听，就是你有一个特别好的音色，但是我感觉在这些年，你一直缺乏在你声音上的训练。我第一次听你的。
What is he telling her?
Okay.
Because I never.
Yeah, you don't remember.
I don't.
You don't remember.
Well, it's not that. Nobody translated this one for
I
me.
did. She had a better duet with J.A. when she was dancing. So. And then
I remember
she
this.
Replied,
I remember this.
Now you remember. Yes.
Yep.
朱荣飞在这个舞台上唱《男孩别哭》的时候，那是我听过最好的孟佳在这个舞台上。但是4年
Yo,
过
this
去了，
guy's so
今天我连稳
knowledgeable. I
定都
thought
听
he
不
was
到，我
50
就有点
years
遗
old,
憾。
but turns out he's younger than me.
谢谢老师对我要求这么高。
I'm
He was
gonna
really
hit
nice.
the disagree button with you. I play piano and sing for many, many years. And when I don't have the piano, it's different. And I think that's the same as what you're describing with dancing.
明白，就像我很早期的时候，我不背吉他就有点
不知道该咋办。
慌
He's
对。
agreeing.
Yeah, he's agreeing.
But
He needs
I
the
think
guitar.
that there were so many harmonies in here. And I think that both of you stayed very tight without what I call sword fighting. Jane, so cool to see you perform live. It is so clear to see why you've had such an everlasting and successful career. This was really neat to hear live. And I know you're a total diva, so it was neat to hear you lay back into this song and not feel the need to oversing it. I think you both showed up without overdoing it. I think this was very successful. Bravo to both.
Thank you.
Something that they didn't show that I said, which I'm actually kind of glad. No. No, I was like, I said there's too much third harmonies.
Yes.
And I actually disagree with myself. So I'm glad they took it out because although I'm not sure what was striking me, but
no,
this felt
Jane actually fought back.
Really?
Yeah,
What did
Jane's
she
like,
say?
no,
She's like,
there's more than third, there's fifth, there's eighth, there's like all kinds of different harmonies that
boy.
they've worked on.
Yeah, I think I'm watching it again. It feels tight. I mean, it is a lot of harmonies. This song doesn't really feature one person. By the time you get to the end, it is very duet. It's very much two people. But those high harmonies at the end actually they're really twinkly and sparkly.
Yeah.
Thanks for editing that out, guys. Which one is this?
天上的星河，地上的灯
Oh,
火，
I like this guy.
闪或不闪烁，都是你轮廓。
He has a very handsome personality. Like watching him chat with people, he was like so charming and
His English is great too.
Oh, really? Oh, I
风中的云朵，雨中的花朵， 漂或不漂泊，都只是过客。风走了，
Oh yeah.
雨停了，人散了，谁记得我？谁忘了我？谁爱过我？雨散落，花飘落，泪滑落。你说爱我，却又放我，天地一侧。
I'm curious how they're gonna mix this because right now they definitely have him featured, which I think sounds great, but I'm curious if they'll switch it up. In person, it felt even. Yeah, he's beautiful.
思念的沼泽，回忆的长河。
More prominent vibrato. Oh yeah, 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 yeah.
却将我吞没，拉住我，呼唤我，救救我。
Love this mix. Okay, so they featured each of them. They have featured each of them. I love that.
别让我跌入了山不色，花一落，梦一破，都错过。要什么求什么都不得，看记得河，就不就
What?
What are you laughing at?
I'm getting goosebumps
What are you
because
laughing
I
at?
was wrong.
What do you mean?
I thought they were gonna use the second take, but this is
Oh.
actually the first take.
What do you mean? They had 2 different takes?
Yeah, yeah, yeah. This is great. This is awesome. Keep going. Keep going.
要怎么胜过？云荒漠，要怎么能开出花朵？过路的人，在哪天可以再见呢？我要如何圆一个故事的残破？
拉住我，呼唤我，救救我，别让
This performance, this sounds better than I remember. Like this song. This is tight. This is really tight. Yeah.
我跌入了深不色，花一落，梦一破，都错过。要什么求什么都不得。
To me, this is where production did a wonderful job.
Yo,
Production really highlighted these two. This is great. They did a great job, and production did a great job.
可以再见呢？
Great work. Great work to them. Great work all around. That was great.
好好听，好
Great song.
听。
好听好听。
Well, I would say that Lars, I think that
He's so
vocally, I missed some details like vibrato. There could be more, but you two are an interesting pair because Diamond, you got a lot of vibrato.
Yes.
Vibrato is a very special, very tricky, very unique part of
I can't believe I said this.
I can't believe you told Diamond
Oh
she
my
has a lot
God.
of vibrato right in front of her.
singer's footprint. Lars, I think you
But you
should
know,
be
Fo, I'm a coach.
You totally are.
I'm a
I just
coach.
can't believe this is happening.
more
Just wearing your
adventurous.
hat.
I think there are details that you could have added, and I know you could have because this detail tells me you have access to a lot of
He
agility.
can.
So you
He
could
has
be more
great
adventurous.
Totally. I know he does. He's
But
good.
I appreciate you two as a team. And I did notice that you took turns highlighting each other in the harmony parts. And this is really
And the
lovely
production
to
did
see
too.
singers do this and not fight to be on top all the time. So I think this was a wonderful teamwork. So bravo to both.
谢谢 Thank you。
现在的我接受一并有解，不再匆忙去往幻想的世界。望眼欲穿，自我复杂的一面，高楼地面，
I really enjoyed this song. I really enjoyed the song.
Yes! Oh, yes!
I was vibing
This is the one that, is this the one that he wrote?
Yeah.
This is, yeah, he was great. He wrote this. He's so great.
注意声音，注意时间，流入凡间背面，是不是就成了什么线？
Right. Oh my god, they didn't keep me trying to learn this riff,
Of course they did. I was sweating for you.
I had not slept for like 48 hours. Oh my god.
You still can't do it.
Oh boy. I think we should play some Beyonce riffs and see how quick he can do them. What do you think?
Oh, yes.
人在闪着。
They're both great. She's so beautiful. Fresh.
生命中一归时间，流入凡间背面，是不是就成了什么线？血雨成线。呼吸。人在山间。
楼地面中间的我，仿若在山水间，去体会与放眼思绪，却已抛向林间。何为千人自别，遥望见一人在山间。
少你处于时间，终会流入凡间背面。
血雨成线。
Way more, the melody seems way more da, 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 like I can hear the root melody within the riff now. Well done. This was one of my faves. I really, really, really liked this.
Mine too. I really liked it.
Jiang, this was so successful. This songwriting is fantastic. The production, the vocals, the lights,
so.
the harmonies, everything was fantastic. You are so young, and this is very special song because you get to show off and we get to enjoy, and sometimes these things aren't able to happen together. These intervals within this riff are very different than riffs back home in the West. Do you think you could teach me the riff?
Oh boy.
Oh God, help me.
它放慢的时候，它可能就是会像是中国的传统乐器二胡一样的声音，就是。
Slow down.
What is it? What is it? What is it?
You're exactly the same.
What?
Da 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 da.
Da da da.
Da 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 da.
Da da da.
Da 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 da.
I don't.
See, that's the
I
thing.
don't want to go up there.
You always want to go down.
Yeah.
That's your tendency. It's your muscle memory. and but it's actually going up.
So,
Yeah.
but then I'm putting a riff to.
You got it.
Yes.
Yep. Yes. Love him.
Really?
Bravo to both. Bravo to
Yeah,
both.
he was great.
就是我其实深受中国有一种传统音乐影响，叫做就是江南丝竹，代表乐曲叫《江南春色》。
It's me
个人
listening
认
to
为
Jay
我们
telling me
中
what
国
he's
的传统
saying.
音乐最迷人的地方
OK
就是它其实，在有一些韵味上其实是超出了12平均律的范畴。
Is he talking about his school?
I'm
其
not
实
gonna
我就想把这些
This is so
中国
hard to
韵味
translate.
Some of the guys
最
don't
根源的
don't
东西
agree.
融入到一
Don't
些
agree
OK, OK,
with what he's
OK.
saying,
它以
but
做一
whatever.
个文化的碰撞和融合，我觉得可能会让年轻的朋友也会非常喜欢我们传统的文化。对，
谢谢。
Yeah, I loved them.
Oh, I like the song.
Beyond.
Oh, they were
This.
fantastic. They were fantastic.
今天我寒夜里看雪飘過，懷着冷卻了的心窩飄遠方，風雨裏追趕，霧裏分不清影蹤，天空海闊，你與我可會變
Oh, 所以有味嗎？
多少次？
Oh, cool.
仍在冷眼與嘲笑，從沒有放棄過心中的理想。一剎那烽火，若有疏失的感覺，不知不覺已偏袒心裏愛。原諒我這一生不羈放縱愛自由。也會怕有一天會跌倒，背棄了理想，誰人都可以，哪會怕有一天只你共我。
You said they were good? Good? You said they were really good?
Better.
They were, yeah.
Even better?
Yeah.
No, this is edited. You
Yeah.
can hear it.
Yeah,
but
yeah.
Yeah, you can hear
They
it.
sound better without editing.
They were more human. They were more human. Yeah. But this is fantastic. So yeah.
今天我寒夜裏看雪飄過，懷着冷卻了的心窩飄遠方，風雨裏追趕，霧裏分不清影
It was cool with the two pianos. It was really powerful.
你與我可會變？原諒我這一生不羈放縱愛自由，也會怕有一天會跌倒。背棄了理想，誰人都可以，哪會怕有一天只你共我。仍然自由自我，換願夠長愛歌，走遍千里。原諒我這一生不羈放縱愛自由，也會怕有一天會跌倒。背棄了理想，誰人都可以，哪會怕有一天只你共我。背了理想，誰人都可以。
He especially sounded
哪
better
會
live.
怕有一天只你共我。原諒我這一生不羈放縱愛自由，也會怕有一天會跌倒。背棄了理想，
emotional to hear this, just like in relation to, it was like a very full circle moment for me. It was like it was a very memorable moment here in this room. And then I was in that room with the lights and the people, and the song is beautiful, and just thinking back to the story, like it was,
But what sucks is there's a delay, right? So she texted me. She's like, I'm crying. I'm like, what? Hold it.
Yeah, I was like, I
do
really
it
want
later.
to talk. And by the time they got to me, it was like 25 minutes later, and I was like, it was really beautiful. Like it was like so late, but I was so touched. I was so touched.
Yeah.
Performance. That was great. It was really, really good. It was really, really good. Guys like losing it. That was great. I think that my perspective of this song is very, very different than everybody else in this room. This performance tonight really, really touched me and reminded me powerfully that music, particularly songs like this, really are a bridge. And I am so proud to be part of the human community and the music community when I hear songs like this. Honestly, I am from very far away, but we are so much more connected than we think sometimes. It just reminds me that we can all find ourselves in music that might not be our language. Thank you for sharing this with us tonight. Thank you for such a beautiful performance. I think that both of you brought not only beautiful vocals, but something that is beyond vocal technique. You brought heart and soul. You brought the heart of the song. Bravo, bravo.
Thank you. Thank you so much.
The other thing that was challenging is he had to translate everything I said after I said it. So we kind of...
Yeah, there's no delay right now, but actually when we filmed
in the moment, I had to say a line and pause. Then he speaks. I say a line and pause, and he speaks. So it was very hard for me to like
have a
flow,
continuous emotion.
Like speak what I want to say. Obviously, it's hard for you too, but we changed it up. We changed it up on the second episode. I just like spoke my balls off, and then he just like spoke his balls off. Yeah. But this was hard to like be in the emotion of like one sentence, wait. One sentence, wait. Yeah, it was hard, especially like so much emotion.
And you know, after the song is performed, there's the singer's discussion. There's
huge
the
delay.
MC part. There's like a 25-minute delay.
Which fair enough. It's but I'm used to pausing in the middle of the damn song. Right? I'm used to pausing when I want to talk. So this was like.
And in a foreign language.
Even the song with not the riff song, but the one before that, there was, I like wanted to sing through the melody and learn about the melody, but it's like, I can't sing, they're filming a freaking show, like, and I'm like, holding the mic away, trying to like, very different, yeah, very different.